Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Milwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as relations and functions. Let's see this. F of x is a raised to x. You have to find f of 5 upon f of 2, f of 4 minus f of 2 upon f of 1 and f of x plus 3 upon f of x minus 1. Right? Let's see this. F of x is a raised to x. Right? So what will be f of 5? What have I done here? I have substituted x with 5. Since I have substituted x with 5 on the left hand side, I have to substitute x with 5 on the right hand side also. So f of 5 will be a raised to 5. F of 2, I have substituted x with 2 on the left hand side, so I should substitute x with 2 on the right hand side also. Therefore, I can say that f of 5 upon f of 2 is going to be a raised to 5 upon a raised to 2, which is nothing but a cube. Similarly, f of x is a raised to x. So f of 4 will be a raised to 4, f of 2 will be a raised to 2 and f of 1 will be a raised to 1. Therefore, f of 4 minus f of 2 upon f of 1 will be nothing but a raised to 4 minus a raised to 2 upon a, which is a square minus 1 upon a and square gets cancelled, a square minus 1. Right? Next, again f of x is a raised to x, so f of x plus 3 will be nothing but a raised to x plus 3, f of x minus 1 will be a raised to x minus 1. Therefore, f of x plus 3 upon f of x minus 1 will be a raised to x plus 3 upon a raised to x minus 1. So a raised to x plus 3 minus x minus 1, a raised to m upon a raised to n is a raised to m minus n, law of indices. X plus 3 minus x plus 1, this is a raised to 4. Right? Let's see another sum, guys. F of x is 3x square. You have to find out f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 upon h. Fine. Right? Let's see this. F of x is 3x square. Therefore, f of 2 plus h. I am substituting x with 2 plus h. If I am substituting x with 2 plus h on the left hand side, I should substitute x with 2 plus h on the right hand side also. So this is 3 2 plus h the whole square, 3 4 plus 4h plus h square, 12 plus 12h plus 3h square. Now, what will be f of 2? 3 into 2 the whole square. I am substituting x with 2 on the left hand side, I am substituting x with 2 on the right hand side. So 3 into 4, that is 12. So f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 upon h can be written as 12 plus 12h plus 3h square minus 12 upon h, plus 12 minus 12 gets cancelled, h is common, so I can say 12 plus 3h upon h, h and h gets cancelled, 4 common, 3 plus h. Answer is 4, 3 plus h. Next, let's see another sum, guys. F of x is equal to ax square plus 2x plus c. F of 0 is minus 3. F of minus 1 is minus 4. You have to find out A and C. Now f of x is given to you as ax square plus 2x plus c. So what will be f of 0? Wherever there is x, substitute the value of x as 0. So this will be 0 plus c. But what is the value of f of 0? Minus 3. So you will get minus 3 is equal to c. Now f of x again is ax square plus 2x plus c. So what will be f of minus 1? Wherever there is x, substitute the value of x as minus 1. So minus 1 square 2 into minus 1 plus c. F of minus 1 is given to you as minus 4 is equal to a minus 2 plus c. Minus 4 is a minus 2 plus c. We have already found out the value of c as minus 3. So minus 4 is a minus 5. A is 1 because minus 5 goes on this side, becomes plus 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore I will get f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Right, do we get this? Now next let's see another sum. F of x is x square minus 4x plus 11. X square minus 4x plus 11, and they have given you that f of x is equal to f of 3x minus 1. Now f of x is given to you as x square minus 4x plus 11. F of 3x minus 1. Wherever there is x, substitute the value of x as 3x minus 1. So this will be 3x minus 1 the whole square. 3x minus 1 plus 11. Now this is in the form a minus b the whole square. So this will be a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 12x minus into minus plus 4 plus 11. So this is going to be 9x square minus 18x plus 16. 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 1 16. Now once you have this, but they have given you that f of x is f of 3x minus 1. F of x is given to you as x square minus 4x plus 11. F of 3x minus 1 is 9x square minus 18x plus 16. Right? Equate the two. Take everything on one side. If I take everything on the left hand side, then I will get 0 is equal to 9x square minus x square is 8x square minus 18x plus 4x is minus 14x plus 16 minus 11 is plus 5. Now this is a quadratic equation. 8 5s are 40, 10 4s are 40. So we will get 8x square minus 10x minus 4x plus 5 is 0. I could take 2 common. So 2x common. So you will get 4x minus 5 minus 1. 4x minus 5 is 0. 2x minus 1. 4x minus 5 is 0. So I could say that either 2x minus 1 is 0, therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2, or 4x minus 5 is 0, therefore x is equal to 5 upon 4. Right? Next, let's see the next sum, guys. Phi of x is equal to x minus 1 upon x. You have to prove that phi of x the whole cube is equal to phi of x cube plus thrice phi of 1 upon x. Right? Let's see this. Now they've given me that phi of x is x minus 1 upon x. Guys, please don't be confused. Instead of using the word f, they've used the word phi. It's the same thing. It's just the function only. Okay. Now let's see this. Phi of x is equal to x minus 1 upon x. So what will be phi of x the whole cube? What am I doing? I'm cubing the left hand side. If I cube the left hand side, I have to cube the right hand side also. So this will be x minus 1 upon x the whole cube. This is in the form a minus b the whole cube. which will be nothing but a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. I hope everyone's followed this. 3a square b, that means this will be 3x square into 1 upon x. X square and x, so you will have only 1x remaining in the numerator. Similarly 3ab square, 3x upon x square, so you will have an x remaining in the denominator. So let's call this as equation 1. Now phi of x is given to you as x minus 1 upon x. Therefore, what will be phi of x cube? Wherever there is x, substitute the value of x as x cube. So it will be x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Again, phi of x is x minus 1 upon x. So what will be phi of 1 upon x? Wherever there is x, substitute the value of x as 1 upon x. So this will become 1 upon x minus 1 upon x. Denominator of denominator becomes numerator. So this becomes 1 upon x minus x. Let us start with the right hand side. Phi of x cube plus thrice phi of 1 upon x. Phi of x cube we found out in equation 2, guys. Let's call this as equation 2 and equation 3. From equation 2, I can say that phi of x cube is x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus thrice phi of 1 upon x. From equation 3, I can say it is nothing but 1 upon x minus x. Open the brackets and simplify this. X cube minus 1 upon x cube plus 3 upon x minus 3x. Rearrange this. This is x cube minus 3x plus 3 upon x minus 1 upon x cube. But if you look at this, this is the same as equation 1. This is the same as equation 1. This is the same as equation 1, guys. So I can substitute this as phi of x the whole cube, which is my LHS 2. Right? Let's see the next one, guys. Find the range of f of x is equal to 2 minus 7x and minus 2 is less than x is less than 4. You have to find the range of this. Guys, how do I do this? Whatever is the value of f of x, you have to get it here. Now they've given you that x is greater than minus 2 and less than 4. Look at the sum, guys. What do I want? I want 7x in the answer. If I want 7x, I will say multiply by 7. So in that case, I'll get minus 14 is less than 7x is less than 28. I want minus 7x. To get minus 7x, I will multiply by minus 1. So this will become 14. Now, when you multiply by minus 1, the inequality reverses. So this will become greater than minus 7x, greater than minus 28. When you multiply by negative sign, the inequality reverses. Please remember this rule. Now rearrange the data. If I rearrange, this will become minus 28 is less than minus 7x is less than 14. I want 2 minus 7x. So you will say add 2. If I add 2, I'll get minus 28 plus 2 is less than 2 minus 7x is less than 14 plus 2. So you will get minus 26 is less than 2 minus 7x is less than 16. So I'll get minus 26 is less than f of x is less than 16. Right? 2 minus 7x I'm substituting as f of x. Therefore, I can say that range is minus 26 comma 16. The lower limit is minus 26 and the upper limit is 16. Next, let's see another sum. Find the range of g of x is equal to 5 minus 4x square if x is greater than minus 2 less than 5. Now they've given you this. I want 5 minus 4x square. To get x square, I will say squaring. Now when I square, guys, you have to remember this, that when you are finding the range, square of a negative number is 0. When you are finding the range, square of a negative number is 0. So minus 2 square will be 0, is less than x square, is less than 25. I want 4x square. Multiply by 4. If I multiply by 4, 0 is less than 4x square is less than 100. I'm multiplying every term by 4. I want minus 4x square multiplied by minus 1. When you multiply by minus, the inequality reverses. Minus 4x square is greater than minus 100. Rearrange. If I rearrange, I'll get minus 100 is less than minus 4x square is less than 0. Once you add this, add 5. If I add 5, I'll get minus 95 is less than 5 minus 4x square is less than 5. But 5 minus 4x square is nothing but g of x. So I'll get minus 95 is g of x is less than 5. Therefore, I can say that range is minus 95, 5. Right? Let's see another sum. Find the range of. Let's find the range of, say, h of x, which is 4x square minus 4x plus 7 when x belongs to a real number. Now here, guys, they haven't given you the limits of x. They haven't given you the lower and the upper limit of x. So I'll say h of x is 4x square minus 4x plus 7. When upper and lower limit of x is not given to you, what you have to do is, first thing, you have to convert the function into a perfect square. To do that, you have to find out last term. Last term is middle term into middle term upon 4 times first term. That's minus 4x into minus 4x upon 4 times 4x square. That will be 1. So you can say that h of x is 4x square minus 4x plus 7. This was my equation. Whatever is the last term, add and subtract the last term. Add 1, subtract 1. Since I have found out the last term, this will become a perfect square. How do you find out a perfect square? Square root of the first term, square root of the last term, sine of the middle number. So this is going to be plus 6, 7 minus 1. So I get h of x is 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 6. But we know that square of any number has to be greater than 0. Square of any number will always be greater than 0 or equal to 0. If I add 6, I'll get 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 6 has to be greater than 0 plus 6. But 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 6 is nothing but h of x. So I can say h of x is greater than 6. Rearrange. How did I get this, guys? This we have just derived that 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 6 is h of x. We have just derived this, right? So if I rearrange, I'll get h of x is greater than 6 and we do not have the upper limit. Hence, I can say that range is nothing but 6, infinity. Since the upper limit is not given to us, we will assume the upper limit to be infinity. Fine, do we get this thing clear? We will stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.